Welcome to Are You Smarter Than a Chemistry Teacher? I'm your host, Caitlin, and these are our students. We have Iris, Monica, and Jen. Each of our students is going to play with our contestant. Our contestant will pick each student for every 3 categories, and the last category, our contestant must answer on her own to get the $1 million question. Our contestant can use her cheat, peek, and copy throughout the game. So what do you say? Are you ready to meet our contestant? Okay, everyone, please welcome our contestant, Jessica.
Woo! Hi, everybody.
Hi, Jess. What do you say? Are you ready to play?
So ready.
Are you students ready to play?
Yeah!
Okay, we'll be back after this commercial break.
Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. The pigs try to get at you. Park it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. The pigs try to get at you.
And we're back. So, Jess, what do you say? You ready to pick your first contestant?
Yep.
So, who do you choose?
I picked Jen.
Jen, come on down. Okay, Jess, please pick a category.
Chapter 6.
Chapter 6. Which of the following groups is correct? Alkali metals in group 7A, alkali earth metals in group 3A, halogens in group 2B, or noble gases in group 8A. So what do you think the answer is?
D.
Way to go, Jess. D is the correct answer. Please pick your next category.
Chapter 9.
Chapter 9. What is the name of the polyatomic ion MnO4? A. Magnesium tetraoxide. B. Manganese oxide. C. Permanganate. Or D. Manganese oxygen.
I think I know it. I think I know it.
Come on, ladies. You should know this.
I would like to use a copy.
Alright, Jen, what answer did you put?
I put C, permanganate.
I'll copy.
Copy?
Yeah.
And Jen, you are correct. Way to go.
Woo!
Okay, Jess, please pick your next category that you want to answer with Jen as your contestant.
Let's go with chapter 7.
What is the composition of an ionic compound? A. Covalent bonds. B. Gases and liquids. C. Anions and cations. D. Protons and neutrons. Okay, Jess, what answer did you choose?
C.
C. Are you positive?
Yeah, I'm positive.
A round of applause. Good job, Jess. You got it right. Okay, Jess, please pick your next student.
I'll pick Iris. Hi.
Okay, Jess, please pick your next category.
I choose chapter 4.
What famous scientist model is known as the chocolate chip cookie model? A. J.J. Thomson. B. Democritus. C. Dalton. D. Miss Graff.
I really love cookies, so I think I'm going to go with A in this one.
J.J. Thomson?
Yes.
And Jess, you are correct.
Woo!
Please pick the next category.
I'm going to get rid of my last chapter 6 question.
Go.
How did Mendeleev arrange the periodic table? A. In order of increasing atomic weight. B. Decreasing atomic weight. C. Alphabetical order. Or D. In order of his favorites.
I would like to use my peak for this answer.
Your peak? Okay. Iris, what did you say?
I said in order of increasing atomic weight.
Okay. Jess, would you like to use Iris's answer?
Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
Okay, and we will see if Iris's answer is right after this commercial break.
Just Dance 4, sequel to the world's #1 best-selling dance game.
And we're back. Before the break, Jess decided to use her peek to see if Iris's answer was correct, and she decided to use it. And I'm happy to announce that Iris's answer is correct.
Woo!
So Jess, please pick your next category.
Chapter 5, please.
Which of the following has the correct number of sublevels? A. S equals 7, B, D equals 5, C, F equals 1, or D, P equals 6?
B, final answer.
B is the correct answer. So since Monica's our only student left, Monica, come on down. Okay, Jess, please pick a topic.
I'm gonna go with chapter 8.
Which of these is the shape of PO4 negative 2?
I think C.
C?
Is the correct answer, yeah.
And C is the correct answer. Way to go, Jess. Please pick your next category.
The last question of chapter 4, please.
What are 3 types of subatomic particles? A, ions, molecules, and isotopes. B, protons, neutrons, and electrons. C, cations, anions, and electron negativity. D, metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. If you don't know this, ladies, shame on you.
Well, luckily I do know this, and the answer is B. Protons, neutrons, and electrons.
Way to go, Jess. Jess will pick her last category after this commercial break. Add some roux to your do. It only takes 3 minutes to get a fabulous stew. Welcome back. So Jess, you have 1 sheet and 1 category left, so please choose a category.
Chapter 5.
Whose principle demonstrates sublevels with boxes and arrows? A, Dalton. B, Democritus. C, Afbel. D, Mr. Boldish.
I would definitely like to use my sheet, please.
Monica, what was your answer that you chose?
C.
And luckily, C is correct. Now for the $1 million question. Now for our $1 million question. If you were given sand and salt in the same jar, how would you separate them?
You would empty the jar, and then you would take each one and separate it.
Are you serious? That would take a bajillion years. No, Jess, that answer is not right. You do not get the $1 million. Now you know what you have to do.
Miss Grass, third period, I am not smarter than a chem teacher.
Thank you for joining us in this edition of Are You Smarter Than a Chem Teacher? Please join us next week for Are You Smarter Than a History Teacher? Good night.